Alright guys, a nice short and sweet pattern එකක් නිතරම use වෙනවා. අපි කියනවා නේද මට බැන්න, මට කිව්වා, මට ඉගැන්නුවා, ඔයාට ඉගැන්නුවා, ඔයාට කිව්වා, right? මට ඔයා ගැන කිව්වා. අපි කියන අය වගේ ඒවා. use කරන්නේ කොහොමද guys? ගොඩක් ලේසි. මට නම් I, ඔයාට නම් you, ඇයට නම් she දැම්ම මුලට. ඊට පස්සේ was were දානවා. After that you have to use past participle of the verb. ක්‍රියාවේ තුන්වෙනි ස්වරූපේ past participle, right? Okay, එතකොට I එක was දන්නේ මට කිව්ව නම් I was told මට කිව්වා. You understand? I was told මට කිව්වා. මට ඔයා ගැන කිව්වා. I was told about you මට ඔයා ගැන කිව්වා. You understand? I was told tell එකේ past participle told. I was told about you මට ඔයා ගැන කිව්වා. මට බැන්න. I was scolded. I was blamed. දෙකම එකයි. I was blamed මට බැන්න. I was scolded මට බැන්න. You can understand? I was scolded, I was blamed, මට බැන්න කියන්න පුළුවන්. ගොඩක් lazy. ඔයාට කිව්වා you were told. You were told. ඔයාට කිව්වා. You එක word දන්නේ. You were told. ඔයාට කිව්වා. ඔයාට ඉගෙනුවා. You were taught. Taught. Teach එකේ past participle taught. You were taught. ඔයාට ඉගෙනුවා. You understand? මට කිව්වා ඔයාට ආරාධනා කරන්න කියලා. I was told to invite you. මට කිව්වා ඔයාට ආරාධනා කරන්න කියලා. You understand? I was told to invite you. මට කිව්වා ඔයාට දෙන්න කියලා. කොහොමද කියන්නේ? Okay, comment below. Okay.